If a rational equation has a scale factor of 2, vertical asymptotes at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to -3, and this should be vertical, and x-intercepts at 5, 0 and -6, 0, write the equation of the function. So, let's first list down what we have here. So here we have a scale factor of 2, so SF for short of 2. We have vertical asymptotes at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to -3. So VA for short at x is equal to 2 and -3. And then we have x-intercepts at 5, 0 and -6, 0. So x-intercepts on 5, 0 and -6, 0. So now we have to remember what we know about rational functions. So what we know about rational functions is that f of x, the function, is equal to, well, the rational function, as we know, is a fraction with one polynomial in the numerator and another polynomial in the denominator. In the numerator, we have the scale factor, and then multiplied with the scale factors are x minus the x-intercept. So I'm just going to say x minus x-int. Whoops. So x minus x-int. And however many there are. Then also in the numerator we have x minus the whole, so x minus h, as we can see. In the denominator, as we know, we have x minus the vertical asymptotes, so VA, however many there are. And then we have x minus h, the wholes, however many there are. And then afterwards, at the end of the equation, we have plus HA, which is the horizontal asymptote. So now using this formula, let's plug in our numbers. So here we know we have a scale factor of 2. So it's f of x is equal to 2 times x minus the x-intercepts are 5 and -6, so x minus 5, and because we have 2 x-intercepts, we're going to close this binomial and open another one, x minus -6, which is plus 6. And as we can see, we do not have any wholes, so that means that we do not put any in the numerator. In the denominator, we just have x minus the vertical asymptote. So here we have the vertical asymptotes at 2 and -3. X is equal to 2 and -3. So it's x minus 2 times x minus -3, which is plus 3. As we can see, we don't have any wholes, so we can't put them on the denominator. As we can see, we also do not have any horizontal asymptotes, so we can't add them onto the end. So that means that we're just going to assume that the horizontal asymptote is 0.